Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again. And today in this lesson, we're gonna be writing equations of lines using tables, right? Especially when a line passes through these 2 points, 15.6 and 14.7, okay? So first off, we're gonna start off finding the slope, okay? So I already wrote down what is my x1, y1, x2, y2. And we know that's y2 minus y1, 7 minus 6, over 14 minus 15. So 7 minus 6 is 1, and 14 minus 15 is negative 1. All right. So when you divide that, it's just negative 1. Okay. So we have a negative slope. Our m is negative 1. Okay. Now that we have the m, we're going to use, let me see, I can use any of the points. Let me use 14 and 7. Use 14 and 7. And we have our m, which is negative 1. So we're gonna plug them all into b equals y minus mx. So this is our y and this is our x. So b is equal to 7 minus negative 1 times 14. So 7 minus, you say negative 1 times 14 is negative 14. Okay. So 7 minus negative 14, that's actually keep change flip again. So it's actually 7 plus 14, which is 21. All right, so we found that it's 21. So let me put this a different color. So this is our equation done. I'll write that here. Our equation will be y equals negative 1, negative x, you can say, plus b, which is 21. All right, so that is our equation. All right, so now we're going to do a table so we could put this in order. Okay, so I'm going to erase this work I did over here so that I can leave room for a table so you guys can see. Okay, next, let's write this table. I'm going to put it over here. So we have x and y, and the table follows the instruction y is equal to negative x plus 21. Okay, so we see that if we plug in 15, so let's plug in numbers close to those points. Okay, so let's try 13. We already know 14, 15 will be. I'm going to double check. And I do 16. So 14 is supposed to give you 7. 15 is supposed to give you 6. So let's see what 13 gives you. So y equals negative 13 plus 21. So if I have, this is negative 13. Let's see. This is negative 13. It's supposed to be included already. So it's just saying you're subtracting 13 from 21. That's basically what it's saying. So that's basically 8. That is 8. So y is equal to 8. So that will be 8 over here. Now let's do the other one. Y is equal to negative 16 plus 21, or 16 minus 21 minus 16. So that should be 5. So yeah, it makes sense. See, is decreasing in a consecutive order. You see that? 8, 7, 6, 5. So if I do 17, I should get 4. Let's try it. Y is equal to negative 17 plus 21. And it does. Yeah, y is equal to 4. That's correct. So when you now I'm gonna graph them. Let me see. I'm gonna have to make some points here. I'm gonna make some points here. All right. So for today's purposes, I'm gonna just usually this will start 1, but I'm not gonna extend the graph here. So I'm just gonna do 13 here. 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. All right. All right, so, and I'm just going to start here with 4, and I'm going to go up. So, 4, I can just start this way. Let me just make it, I would change it a little bit here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll do that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, 5, 6. Okay, so for 13 is 8. Let's spread it up here. So 13 is 8, 14 is 7, 15 is 6, 16 is 5, and 17 is 4. And then when we graph them, it is a negative slope, and it goes. I'm doing it as straight as I can, and that's how it will look. Okay, so that's how you do it. When the line passes through those 2 points, because we started with this one, 14 and 7, we started with these, and 15 and 6. These are the 2 points we started with. So that's it. That's how you do it. Take care. See you in the next video. This is Mr. Frederick out.